Hi friends, how to make conversation. Welcome to SGK English for a new video. Yes, how to make conversation. Of course, conversation generally means questions and answers. Questions we have seen in the last video, auxiliary questions using do. And then comes question word questions. Questions using question words such as what, which, when, where, who, whose, whom, etc. So last video we saw how to make questions using the auxiliary verb do. How to make that? Take a verb, for example, come. Do come. Do you come? Do you come? Do you come with me? Go. You go. Do you go? Do go. Do you go? Do you go now? Is it not so? Give. You give. Do you give? Do you give it? Okay, na? Take. You take. Do you take? Do you take it? Yes. In that way you can ask auxiliary questions using do. How can you make questions using question words is what we have to see today. I repeat, how can we make question word questions using do? That's the easiest way. For example, like, you like, do you like, what do you like? What do you like to eat? Come, you come, do you come? You see, when do you like to come with me? When do you come? When do you come? Come, you come, do you come? When do you come? How do you come? You come by bus, by car, or by bike, or by some other means. Okay, na? So there are two ways to make questions. Number one, auxiliary questions using do. Number two, question word questions using question words such as what, which, when, where, who, whose, etc. and etc. In both these, what I am emphasizing is that you must use question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb. Just to say do, that's all. Okay, now eat, you eat, do you eat? You see, how do you eat? When do you eat? Why do you eat? Yes, make that questions using do and what. I mean, auxiliary question you can make do. Do, does, or did. Same way does also. You see, likes, she likes, does she like? Why does she like it? Why does she like it? Is it not so? Yes. So whatever be, come, they come, do they come? When do they come? How do they come? So you can simply make it, just remember that verb, then use, combine it with do, then use the question words accordingly, according to the meaning. That is how you have to make a question. So of course answer subject plus verb. You see? You see. When do you come? Tell the answer. I come by next Tuesday. I come. Okay, she comes. Same way with the did also. Came. You came. You see? Did you come? When did you come? Came. Past simple. Did plus V1 is equal to V2. So came. You came. Did you come? When did you come? Did plus V1 is equal to V2. Yes. Ate. You ate. Did you eat? When did you eat? Okay, na? So use do very easily. Auxiliary questions as well as question word questions. So auxiliary questions you have to use do or did or does plus subject plus verb. Did you go? Auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb. Question word question, question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb. So you can make questions auxiliary as well as question word questions in order to make conversation. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.